Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about transforming your life instantly by quantum shifting. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my courses and book coaching with me. All of the information will be at ritakaminski.com and in the description box down below. I intend for this video to change your absolute life. And with that being said, let's get into it. One of my viewest videos are quantum shifting videos, and while I did not title them that, and while most people didn't know that they actually quantum shifted, they did. I will be putting cards up above for the top two that are my most views at 500,000 views, where I get you to quantum jump into the reality where you get a text from your SP and where they beg for you to be back. Again, those two videos are one of my most highest viewed videos at 500,000 views, and it literally required you to quantum shift. And I did the exercise with you all in that video. Just check the comments under each of those two videos. Almost every single comment says, "What the fuck? Like, I thought this was so weird. I did it and it worked." Explain that. That's quantum jumping, babes. That's quantum jumping. It's a very complicated title for something very simple. What I like to do is to simply put my foot in front of me and signify that the next step that I take, the next time my foot touches the floor beneath me, like pretend this is the floor, right? And these are my 2 feet. So this is what I do, and I can do this while I'm sitting down or while I'm standing up. I put one of my sexy legs up and I'm like, okay, this step that I take, as soon as my foot hits the floor, I will get my desire. And of course you have to know what your desire is. I'm getting my SP. I'm losing 60 kilograms. I am a famous TikToker, whatever it is. And you have to know that you have this in this reality right now. In the reality where you step, you have it. So the second that your foot hits that floor, you step into a new reality. That reality being one which you have your desire, right? So I count to 3 and I'm like, okay, when my foot hits this, that means that I'm in this new reality, in this desired reality, right? So I'm like, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm like, it's done. It's literally done. It's literally done. I'm now in the reality where I'm 50 kilograms. I have 1 billion subscribers. I have clear skin. I have a husband. I have 3,000 best friends. Like, whatever you want. You can literally quantum jump into becoming Hailey Bieber. You can quantum jump into them never having an ex. You can quantum jump into you holding an iPhone, whatever the latest iPhone is. Whatever it is you want, living in a mansion, like anything that you put your mind to, the second that you step, you will get it. So I highly recommend for you to watch those 2 videos and do this exercise with me. If you want more of these quantum jumping videos, let me know on what topics so we can do it as an exercise together. But that's all there is to it, guys. It's really, really simple. What this will do is literally shift you into that reality because you have decided, and that's all it takes. Your decision It doesn't take anything else other than that. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.